Okay, so in this four-bar mechanism, we're expected to locate the instantaneous centers, and then eventually we have to find the angular velocity of the link BC. So first, we are going to determine the number of instantaneous center using this formula, where the small letter n is the number of links. So from here we have, from point A to D here is our link 1, and this is where we have our fixed link. So this is link 1. And then from link C to D, that's where we have our link 2, L2. From link B to C, that's where we have our link 3. And then from link A to B, that's where we have our link 4. So we have 4 links here. So that means the number of instantaneous center is going to be 4 into 4 minus 1 over 2. So that makes it 6. So we also have 6 number of instantaneous centers for this 4-bar mechanism. So you now draw this diagram, this configuration diagram, using a convenience scale. So I've decided to use a scale of 1 centimeter, represent 1. Okay, so 1 centimeter represents 1 millimeter, or 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. That's 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter. So now I have the base AD. The base AD is giving us 142 mm. So using this place as a reference, and then you place your protractor here, you measure an angle of 60 degrees here. So take your ruler and then you join. So you know the length here, our length AB is given as 45 mm. Also link CD is given as 75 mm. So you take your compass, measure 75 mm. From point D, you draw an arc. So length CB or BC is given as 98. So you measure 98 here. After measuring 98, then from point B, you cut an arc here. So the meeting point here automatically is your point C. You now draw your thick lines. That's C to B, and then you also draw another thick line, C to D. So now, so you indicate your link 1, this is your link 1, this is your link 2, this is your link 3, and this is your link 4. So this angle 60 degrees. So now you draw a table that indicates your instantaneous center. This 1, 2, 3, 4, indicating the number of links. So this for your links, and then you have ICR, that's instantaneous centers. So now here you have I1, 2, 1 with 2, and then you have I1, 3, 1 with 3, and then you have I1, 4, 1 with 4. So you come here, you have I2, 3, you have I2, 4, and then you also have I3, 4 here. So the next thing is, since you can see you have 6 instantaneous centers here, these 6 instantaneous centers, you are going to locate them on this mechanism here. So from here, between link 1 and link 2, we are going to have I1, 2 instantaneous center. Between link 2 and 3, you are going to have I2, 3 instantaneous center. Between link 3 and 4, you are going to have I3, 4 instantaneous center. And then, since here is 1, here is 4, so between link 1 and 4, you're also going to have I1, 4 instantaneous center. So it means we have been able to locate I1, 2, I2, 3, I3, 4, and then I14, and then I14. So we are left with I13 and then we are left with I13 and then I24. So that's still there. I13 and I24 that we can't see here is the neither fixed nor permanent instantaneous center, and we need to construct it in order to locate them. Before we locate the neither fixed nor permanent instantaneous centers, we need to draw a polygon of 4 sides. It is 4 sides because we have 4 links, and then we circumscribe a circle around it, and then we can number. We have 1, 2, and then 3, 4. So you can join 1 to 3, and then you also join 2 to 4. So now if you want to move from 1 to 3, you can either go through 1, 2, 3, or you move from 1, 4, 3. So that means we have 1, I1 to 3 can go this way. It can also go this way. So when it goes this way, we have I23 and then I34. But when it comes this way, we have I14 and then I34. So the same thing, I24. You are going from 2 to 4. From 2 to 4, you can come either through. You can go either from 2 to 3 and then 3 to 4, or you go from 2 to 1 and then 1 to 4. So starting this way, you have I24 here is going to be I23 and then I34, and then here you also have I12 and then I14. So now with this, we'll be able to construct the other instantaneous centers. So now if we are going from, in order to locate our I13, now we are going from I23 and then I34. Okay, this should be we are going from 1 to 3, so it should be I12 here, I12 here, and then 2, 3, I23. So this is I12, I23. So now locating it on your mechanism, you have I12